That's me trying to make it fly. Hi guys, a few weeks ago I did a pink version of this look on Instagram, and a lot of people asked me to create a tutorial on how I did it. So today I did it a little bit different. I did a blue version, and I'm just going to go straight into the video and explain to you guys how to create this butterfly. I'm not going to blabber on, but if you want to see more content like this, then you can follow me on Instagram at @lishfaralim. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So you want to start off with your favourite lipstick, which is obviously concealer. As you can see, I'm using the Huda Beauty one. I'm using this NYX professional makeup pencil in the colour Pool Boy, and I'm just going to trace out my butterfly. So I start off with drawing a line in the middle, right in the middle. I end the line just below my lip, like a little bit below my lip, and I start it like literally like a tad bit above my upper lip. This is going to be the half of the butterfly, so where the antennas will be and all. Now I just draw the shape of its body. So this you're just using to trace the butterfly. You can use a white pencil if you want as well. I'm doing a bit can use white or the color of the butterfly that you're going to be creating. Now we're going to trace out the wings, which can be a little difficult making it even, so you just need to like sit there and really analyze it and make sure that you're doing it right, I guess. I also trace where I'm gonna end that wing, so it's gonna be like right below that lip, the second lip, the bottom lip, the line. So you kind of just like do like wiggly lines. I don't really know how to explain it, just trace it. You can look at pictures of a butterfly if you want. I'm just kind of like going with the flow. So I kind of rounded this area here because I know that that is what I want to make black, and the reason why I'm sketching that out is so that I can make it even on both sides. The last time I did this, I did it actually a lot different. I used like eyeliner. I'm going to be using cake liner for this one, but I used normal eyeliner, which was actually a lot harder because with cake liner it lasts longer, the strokes last longer, and you can use any brush you want. I mean, you can do it the way I did it before, but I'm going to make it a little bit more different since I ordered some more products that I can use for this. So that wing here is gonna end right there, and it's gonna blend in with the line of our lips. Okay, so now we're gonna go straight in with eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be using this palette here, which is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. So I'm starting with this color here, it's the lightest blue in the palette, and I'm just gonna start in the middle of the actual butterfly. By the way, I'm using the Morphe brush M433, and it's a good blending brush. So now I'm using a darker shade of blue in the palette, and I'm gonna do it right on the outside areas of the butterfly. Obviously some lines that we traced are kind of leaving, but it's okay. I mean, you can kind of use your own judgment when you are adding the lines. I'm going to use this smaller brush E36 for Morphe, just to kind of be a lot more accurate where I'm colouring in the butterfly. I was thinking of using a blue which is a lot darker, but I'm not too sure if that's a great idea because when you do the black, the blue and the black kind of blend in. So just leave it with colours that are not too dark, otherwise it does end up looking really messy as well, and you don't want that. I'm just going to go into my ABH Novena palette, and I'm gonna, I know I said I don't want to go in with a colour too dark, but I'm just gonna go with this blue very slightly on the edges, very slightly. So now I'm done, pretty much done with colouring it in. Now I'm going to use this Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in grease. And I got like these nail art brushes, which is really thin, so you can use it for like lining everything. I'm gonna just outline the butterfly now. So now we're gonna create these detailed parts of the butterfly. So now we're gonna do the detailed part of the butterfly. So it's really hard to explain, so I'm just gonna do it and hope for the best. So here I'm coming out. That was just random. I just thought maybe we should have this part of the butterfly coming out a little bit more. You can feel that in black. So now we're gonna create like a little bubble. So these like little bubbles, I guess. First we're gonna start from the top here. You kind of just go like that. And then you kind of pull it back like that, and then you color this in. And then you do it again. And then you pull it in again. I don't know if that makes sense. Here I'm gonna draw like a hoop on the bottom, so like that, like a hoop. I'm gonna do like a squiggly line. It's just like a random pattern I just did, and I'm gonna fill that in black. Here I just like, again, I'm gonna do like a random pattern. So squiggle, and then the same on the other side, like a random squiggle pattern. Alright, what I'm gonna do, alright, I'm just trying to figure out what to do. So what I'm gonna do now is, from the second one here, I'm gonna connect to the actual insect. So I need more product. It's really hard to explain when you don't really know what to call these things, the patterns. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like another like C. Oh, there you go, C. Like that. Honestly, just have fun with it and make like random shapes. You don't need to look at a real butterfly. Where the line of my lip is, I'm gonna join it to the edge so it looks like one line. And now I'm going to do like random dots everywhere. You don't want them to be perfect dots, like really random, like a bubble, like a wiggly bubble. Before I finish off the butterfly, because I feel like I still want to add more detail, I'm just going to add the antennas. I did like a wiggly antenna last time, but I think I'm just going to do normal ones. What you want to do now is add some diamonds. So I'm going to add some diamonds, or you can just add white eyeliner and add some dots. You don't have to add diamonds. In these areas, that is what I'm going to do. I added like a lot of diamonds last time. I'm going to chill out on the amount I used this time. But yeah, I'll be right back. So once you're done with all the gems and all the dots around the butterfly, just get any brown eyeshadow. I'm just going to use this one from the Huda Beauty palette, this colour here, and I'm gently going to circle it on the bottom outside of the butterfly just to make a shadow effect so it looks more realistic. And once you've done the shadowing and blended it in, you're pretty much done. I'm going to blend it in a little bit more and I'll be right back. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow. It was kind of like hard to explain, but hope you understood it in the end. If you do choose to recreate this look, please do tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your guys's versions. What? Once you understand how to do it like this, you'll know how to do something on the eyes. I did do the eyes a lot differently last time as well, so if you need inspiration, go check out my Instagram. That's enough for today, and I'll see you guys next time on my channel.